Hi, Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today we are going to discuss the outcome of our investment strategy with regards to how to invest in Twitter and Salesforce, two of the companies that they have been on the news since there has been a lot of speculation who is going to buy Twitter. And here at StockMarketLive.tv we defined the investment plan, a strategy, and we shared it live with subscribers as well as non-subscribers partially, how to make millions of dollars utilizing my input. And this is precisely what we are going to review today, since the information that I shared with you in real time, it is unique in the world. There is no other company or individual that has been able to do to describe what was going to happen to these companies, both of them, as we did. And I guarantee to you, I offer $100 million if Warren Buffett is able to make 5% of our work, all right? This is guaranteed. So if you visit the blog of the company, the live blog, you have here step by step. Notice that there is coherency in the announcements, how to profit from the recent developments. In first place, upgrading Twitter to strong buy ahead of the rally, before everyone started discussing the company that was going to eventually acquire Twitter. Thousands of articles that have been written on the web with regards to a potential buyout. Salesforce, Microsoft, Disney, Apple, you name it. You just have to go or to visit a website as Seeking Alpha, Bloomberg, Reuters, all of them. But the reality or the facts, and we have always to report the facts, none of them was right about it. Secondly, and most important, none of them informed investors how to profit from it. All right? So, as of today, Twitter is a stock that on Friday closed at $16.80, more or less. It crashed since our downgrade in Twitter, selling and dumping shares, $25.15. Bear in mind that I've been describing here how to invest in Twitter since IPO, the very first day, with all the market calls recorded live, the investment process, the full investment process. And therefore, this was not a surprise. I told you there was a downgrade. We also disclosed to existing subscribers that we had a short position in Twitter. So within basically 1 week, everyone that was betting that Twitter and speculating or gambling on Twitter, they lost entirely their money, while you or those that they have been reporting or following our complimentary advice, they have been able to double, triple the size of their accounts very easily, all right? So this is what we've done, and moreover, I'm going to show you, we also bet that Salesforce shares, where we had a short position, and bear in mind the existence of a short position in Salesforce ahead of the buyout, Twitter buyout news, it was a complimentary live market call since 2015, when I told you to sell shares at $78. Shares, they continue moving higher to $82, $84, and we sold short Salesforce. And this call, I report, again, there is a live article with regards to sell Salesforce at $78 and go short the stock, all right? So Salesforce shares, they plunged or they crashed last year after our call to $54 or $52 and a half. That was the bottom in 2015. In 2016, they rallied back, very happy, and we had again the opportunity. So Salesforce, it is a stock today. On Friday, closed at $74.30, more or less. Salesforce, it was one of the stocks, and here you have the chart, and I'm going to show you this chart for your reference to see why it has been perfect, the investment strategy or the investment plan that we shared with you as a subscriber. But bear in mind, this has also been available as complementary information. So what I'm going to do here to facilitate your understanding is to position myself in order to for you to visualize it. All right, so this is the chart in Salesforce, and the information that you had to know was my target price in Salesforce, $67, 100% accurate. So you had a short position, shares they collapsed. When everyone started talking about Salesforce was going to acquire Twitter, well, my friends, I think that the CEO of Salesforce was pretty obvious with regards to that matter. So $67 it was the bottom. I told you to reverse to the long side, and shares gained or rallied to $76 as of Friday. A huge profit, $9 per share within a short-term basis, okay? So 100% accuracy, you didn't have any risk whatsoever to close your short position at $67, reverse into the long side. With regards to Twitter, you have here the chart, downgraded, and this is the most recent chart, downgraded at $25.50. We had a strong buy rating in Twitter, you have it here on the chart, also complementary on the blog of the company, since $15, below in fact, $15 when I told you to start covering the long-term short positions in Twitter, since $73, and in 2015 since $53, when they, in fact, these rumors that they exist as of today, they have been always persistent in Twitter for a long time. That was precisely the case last year, as you remember, with upgrades by JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs at the very top, ahead of a crash in Twitter. Thereafter it came Bowman, ex-Microsoft, also saying that he acquired a percentage in Twitter, and we said, well, wonderful, Twitter remains one of the best selling short opportunities in the market. He bought shares around $36, and we said, double, triple the size of your short positions, Twitter is going down. So what I'm describing here are articles that they were written in real time, disclosing the investment strategies to profit, to make the most, following our guidance. And Twitter crashed, all right? And again, it crashed because it had to crash. No one in the United States, retail investors or funds, they were going to make money unless we wanted to, okay? So Twitter was not going to have any buyout, at least with the price at $25. That will be ridiculous, okay? And so what we did here, it was to dump the position and to reverse to the short side. This created panic, and the panic, if you have been, you just have to report or refer to the articles that you have here on the live blog, and I would recommend you to read some of them. For example, if you are a subscriber and you are looking for to make millions of dollars in the markets without any risk, okay, and it is a proven fact, you have here this article, Stock Bubbles, Best Stocks to Sell Short. Very simple. You don't need 20 stocks, you just need one, this one, nothing else, all right? Simple. You have here articles with regards to Twitter and as well as other companies. For example, for subscribers, I do recommend you to read this very important one, Tech Stocks to Sell Short right now, no buyout. Okay, you just have to click here, read more, and you read the article. It has the stock picks, the chart, instructions, and so on. My friends, you have everything. I guarantee to you that you have everything in real time for a long period of time and proven, always based on facts. You have here, with regards to Twitter, I do recommend you to, for example, to read this one, who is going to buy Twitter, a very important article, where I mention, Salesforce and so on. You have here, ahead of all this news, that is to say, the Salesforce rally, you have an article, and the title of the article is precisely here that you have, why did I buy Salesforce shares? So I informed subscribers why and when to buy Salesforce shares precisely at $67. They were very happy with the rally and also covering short positions ahead of the rally in Salesforce. And I do recommend you here because you have also live calls in the Power Shares, the ETF, the tech sector, as well as on Twitter. You have this article, World's Largest Investor Selling Live $1 billion in stock, downgrading Twitter. And for those that they are subscribers, you also have even further information, almost with the same title on this one. So my friends, you have absolutely everything that is necessary, and I guarantee to you that no one else has access to this information, all right? So plenty of information for those that they are just interested in making a lot of money in the markets, avoiding important losses. So if you had a long position in Twitter, you lost all of it, as I announced that was going to be the case. And I'm very happy, as well as I'm very happy because not all those that they didn't follow the recommendation, they lost money. I'm happy because I knew that was going to happen. You were warned about it, and therefore it all depends on you. It does not depend on me, okay? But I'm more happy than anyone else because subscribers, they follow the guidance, discipline, all right? And they profit from it. And that is, I believe, rather important to refer to. And so you have these articles, all right, that they were posted. Also, if you are a subscriber, you have more information in real time. Collaborative live trading tools that we utilize precisely to communicate with you in real time. Not only the articles per se, live streaming sessions and so on. And therefore, I'm very happy for the results. That is to say, the crash in Twitter, $25.15, all the way down on Friday to $16.50, that no one was expecting except us and you. And therefore, congratulations. And the rally in Salesforce that everyone was talking about, also, that was very important to have precisely with objective of maximizing profits in the market following our guidance. And bear in mind the rally in Salesforce shares, I also gave you as a subscriber a concrete or a precise price target for you to know how to invest and to do it yourself by pulling the trigger. Since we are not going there, you are fully responsible to manage your account. So you had all the information at least 1 week ago to make the most and to make, in fact, make the most. It represents millions of dollars, and with regards to the overall market or the broader market, hundreds of millions of dollars to institutional investors. Okay, so very happy, and I congratulations to everyone. And these are the material facts, my friends. I think that this is the most important. While everyone else has been discussing which is the company that is going to acquire Twitter, without knowing or informing others how to profit from it, at least we demonstrate how to do it, okay? Always in real time, the best historical track record investing in Twitter as well as in Salesforce since IPO, all right?